So here we are with the new Nova SI 4 sliding table saw. It's basically going to be replacing the Nova SI 400. One of the first changes you'll see is the outrigger. You can see we have a much beefier outrigger compared to what we had before. And it's a through boom, so there is no longer any need to set the pin in one of three positions to get the full range of the sliding table stroke. You now just get the full sliding table stroke. Another thing we've added, it's a little thing, but it's cursors. You see, we have the cursor here. It's right on the tape. The line is below, not above, so the parallax is incredibly minimal. Same basic outrigger we had before. The other thing that's changed is we have a totally new sliding table extrusion. Here we still have our 10-year guarantee. But you can see that it is taller and thicker. We'll go to the back end so we can get a really good idea of what we're talking about. Look how thick that extrusion is. It's a really beefy slider. To give you a better idea of the detail. So you see, we've got some of the clash trickling down. And we'll open her up, walk inside here to the blade group. And we still have our really amazing trunnion system here. Cast iron on metal, no composite interface whatsoever. Keep it greased a couple times a year and you will have a lifetime of use. Again, we've got full cast iron surround that we're used to. You can see in here, the blade is completely surrounded by cast iron. And then if we come back here, one of the things again you'll notice is that our trunnion system does not hang from the table. It's sitting on the cabinet, and where it's sitting on the cabinet, you can see we've got some very thick plate steel there that it is resting on. So it is not hanging from the table like our other competitors. And close her up. Another thing we've added to the sliders here is you see this intricate track. It's embedded in the machine. It is not an external. What this does is it allows you to lock the slider at near infinite number of positions. And then we've got our Ready 3 up controller that we're used to seeing. You've got your 3-axis control of your saw, height and tilt, and then your rip fence. And we've now gone with the rip fence from cable drive to ball and screw. So faster with a longer useful life cycle. And you see, same thick extrusion we've always used. So that is a brief overview of the new Nova SI 4.